Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? I'm Tobi. I make YouTube videos. So anyway, so today's video is gonna be this hairstyle look. This thing. These two twist down buns. Yeah, buns. I probably mentioned this in the video, but just again, so I got this idea of this style idea from a fellow YouTuber. Her name is JOYNAVON, I think. I keep messing it up. Either way, her link is down below. You should really check her out. I like her. I've been binge watching her videos like a while now. I just started watching her like 2 days ago, but she's really good. And yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, share, do all the good stuff, all the works, support your girl. Okay, so so first off, I just split my hair into two, and then I sprayed this half. This is the half I'm starting with, and I sprayed it with my leave-in conditioner, which is the Cream of Nature Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner, this one. And now for my oil, I'm going to be using the OGX Coconut Miracle Oil, the penetrating oil, with my 100% pure Jamaican Black Castor Oil from Shea Moisture. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to be taking my comb and lightly combing everything out. And lastly, I'm going to be taking my cream. So I've used this thing like a bunch. I think I've used this thing like on every hair video on my channel. So this is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Gonna take a generous amount. Again, I'm just gonna take my comb, lightly work the curl enhancing smoothie through the whole hair. I'm gonna do the same thing for this side. Now that that's done, I'm just going to evenly split the hair in two this time. Before it was just like one side was bigger than the other, but now we're gonna make it even. first off, I'm going to take a little bit more of that Jamaican black castor oil. This thing is like the hardest to get out. And I'm just going to smooth that on my edges. Okay, and then I'm going to be taking my Eco Styler, the crystal one, and just be putting that all over the edge of my hair. Okay, and now we're just going to start twisting. And now for this, since we're at the ends now, I'm just going to take a little bit more of my, why did the hell did I close you? I'm just going to take a little more of my curl enhancing smoothie, just for the tips. So I know it didn't like twist, but that's the whole thing. I wasn't expecting it to. So I'm just gonna come back to this side. this would be so much better, but I cannot find my bobby pins for some reason, so here we are. Now what she did was that she added some clip-in extensions at the ends. I'm not gonna do that, I'm just gonna leave it this way. I kind of like it this way, even though it's not that big at the ends. It's kind of pretty easy and it's a good protective style. Okay, so I'm back. I did my edges off camera, put on some earrings, you know, the works. And now I'm ready. So this is it. This is the cute hairstyle. You can wear this anywhere. You know, nice protective style. Falls here, you know, it's getting a little chilly. Gotta keep that hair protected, keep them ends protected. Anyway, yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, share this video as well. And yeah, so thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Subscribe button's over here, last video's up here. See you next time. Bye.